Only a couple of states like Ethiopia and Liberia were clinging to a very fragile independence. And by 1914, 90% of Africa was claimed, carved up, and subjugated. This wasn't some gradual process, it was an imperial explosion. So to really get a handle on the full scope of this crime, we're going to structure our investigation in 4 acts. First up, Act 1, Scars on the Map, where we'll look at the physical violence of the borders themselves. Then Act 2, Chains on the Economy, to dissect the whole architecture of extraction. Act 3 is the Unconquered Mind, where we'll examine the psychological war and the incredible intellectual resistance. And we'll close with Act 4, Reimagining Africa, an evidence-based look at the continent that could have been. So let's begin with the most visible legacy of Berlin, the borders. You have to understand, these were never just lines on a map. They were bleeds. Bleeds that sliced right through living cultures, through ancestral lands, and through these really intricate social networks. They left wounds that have festered into permanent conflict. So here's the number that you really need to let sink in: 177. According to deep research by scholars like Asiwaju, that's the estimated number of major ethnic